In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when your Bank of America app won't let you log in. This is a common problem and can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to access your finances on the go. Don't worry though, because I'll walk you through some straightforward troubleshooting steps to get you back into your account. First, let's make sure your internet connection isn't the culprit. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is essential for the app to function correctly. It might be a good idea to switch between using Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one works better than the other. Sometimes, a simple switch in connection can resolve the login issue. Next, let's address the possibility of the app being outdated. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Bank of America Mobile Banking, and check if there's an option to update the app. Updating to the latest version is crucial, as older versions may encounter login roadblocks due to outdated security protocols. If you've checked these two factors and are still having trouble, the next step is to clear the app cache or simply restart the app. For iPhone users, just swipe up to close the app completely, then open it again. On Android, you'll want to go to your settings, find apps, select Bank of America, then go to storage and hit clear cache. This clears out any temporary data that could be causing the issue. Now let's consider if there's a chance your account might be locked. If you've entered the wrong password multiple times, your account could be locked for security reasons. To tackle this, try logging in via a web browser on bankofamerica.com. If you're prompted that your account is locked, follow the steps provided to reset your passcode or verify your identity. Sometimes external apps can interfere with logging in. If you're using a VPN or have security apps running, they might be blocking the app from connecting properly. Try temporarily disabling these services and see if you can then access the app. If this resolves the issue, you'll know that the VPN or security app is the root cause. Finally, if none of these solutions work, it may be time to contact Bank of America support. You can reach them at 1-800-432-1000, or if you can at least log into the app, use the chat support feature for assistance. They'll be able to check for any temporary outages or account-specific issues that might be preventing access. Hopefully, one of these steps has been successful for you, and you're now able to log back into the Bank of America app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips.